How to find your number on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily find your number on WhatsApp. So it's a pretty simple process. First thing first, simply head over to your WhatsApp application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And once you're inside here, if you are on Android, you can basically tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen, and if you are on iPhone, you can just tap on the settings gear icon at the top of right of your screen. So for now, I'll simply tap on this three dot icon at the top right corner and simply select the settings option over here. And as you can see, there is already a phone number being shown over right at my profile. So you can just tap on this profile name over here to view your phone number even in much more detail. So you can just copy the phone number from over here as well, or note it down somewhere else, and you can even add other social media links over here to successfully set up your profile. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.